Hi, everybody. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Matt Ross, the president of Ross Financial. We're a financial planning firm based out of Mill Creek, Washington. And for those of you that do know me, you know that I am passionate about educating and providing perspective to people as it pertains to money and finances and investing. And I want to share with you a conversation I had. It was a great conversation with a client yesterday. As you can see behind me, I'm out in Canton, Ohio, visiting clients. And the client asked me this question. He said, Matt, at what point in time do we ever get out of the market? And or what does it look like for us to get out of the market? And so what I said to him was, let me answer your question this way. Let's envision there's two investors. One investor that invests here and the market goes down and he rides it back out. He starts here and ends here. Well, investor number two starts at the same spot but decides to get out of the market here. Well, that individual misses the down but also misses the up. So investor A and investor B both essentially start and stop at the same spot. Obviously, this is a made-up scenario, but so neither investor have lost any money. It's just one dealt with a little bit more anxiety as it pertained to the value of their investments dropping. But here's the thing, is investor B needs to know when to get out of the market, what to go into, and third, needs to know when to go back in. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't have a crystal ball. And I don't know anybody that has been successful with getting out of the market and getting back in at the right time. You see, right now, if somebody were to invest it here at the beginning of the year, we're down here. So a person that gets out of the market has to be lucky enough to have the market drop even further, and then they have to get in at the right time. More than likely, this person gets out here, maybe the market goes up, maybe it goes down, but I promise you they're not going to get back into the market until things start looking better. How do I know that? We manage finances for almost 400 families, and I've been doing this 17, 18 years. When people have come to me and said, Matt, I'm thinking about getting out of the market, I said, before you do, let me ask you this question. What's your re-entry strategy? When do you think you'll get back in? They say, when I feel better. When I feel like the news isn't so bad. Well, as it pertains to the start and stop points, we started the year here, we're down here. If the market starts going back up, at what point in time do they get back up? Or when do they get back in the market? You see what I mean? It's near impossible. Our emotions are such a strong thing, especially as it pertains to our money and our investments. My message for all of you out there is, I promise you, you will never hear me say we need to get out of the market because we have to have a crystal ball to know when to get back in. So as difficult as these times are, I would say hang in there. And I promise you at some point in time down the road, we will be rewarded. I don't know when that'll be, but you just have to stick with your long-term investment strategy. I hope that's helpful. Reach out to us if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.